Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are attending another shadi, but I forgot to film the intro. So today is the haldi event and I'm recording the intro now, but enjoy. This is the outfit. Guys, this is my outfit if in a better view, but you know, getting ready in the shadi ghar is so hectic, so I can't really do anything about it. So guys, look, mango! Guys, like the chaos of getting ready is insane. I already lost like 10 things. Okay, so basically to give a little bit of background context, I'm attending my uncle's shadi, and like there's gonna be 4 events, okay? Like haldi, which is today, mehendi, barat, and walima, and I'm gonna be attending all 4 of them. Yeah! This is so good. Bro, this is the brides. Guys, we are going to the haldi, to the bride's house now. And look, we have our laddu. Laddu, do you want a laddu? I'll eat one. Ek kha lo. मेरी प्लेट भी दिखाओ. ये देखो, मेहंदी. No, we decorated all the cones and like we put flowers and there's a coconut, bro. And we got kachra. Show you guys this kachra. Yeah. And look at the outfits. We're all twinning. Show the bangles. Like, wow, look, we're all twinning. Yay! Let's go. Bro, look at this. It's all the bride stuff. भाई गाड़ी में सामान आ गया. Guys, look at all the stuff we got for the bride, bro. ये दिखाओ भाई. What is this? बहन. Oh, ये बहन का है. Guys, this is for the sister of the bride. This is, I don't know, this is also for the bride. These are for the bride. Everything is for the bride. Okay guys, I'm finally at the bride's house, and like bro, the aunties over here, like okay, the haldi setup for the bride, the stage, it's so pretty, but bro, the aunties, bro, they're like making such, bro, they're always frowning, bro, they're making such bad faces. They're like ghooring you, like staring at you, and they're just like, and I'm just like, bro, what is going on? Like, but the aunties are actually judging you so bad, bro. Like, they look so mad. Like, I don't know, for every Indian wedding, like, it's a happy occasion, but the aunties, they, like, think like somebody died, bro. Like, I don't even know what's going on. We're sitting at, like, the balcony, I don't know, balcony, chhat, roof. But yeah, and the lights are there, it looks so pretty. But bro, inside, it's even prettier. But we can't go. I mean, we can go inside, but like there's not enough space. So the kids got kicked out, and it's winter. We're sitting in the cold, barefoot by the way, because no shoes in the house. So yeah. Wait, guys, I didn't show you guys the makeup. Look, I did my makeup today by myself. Do you guys see that? I honestly don't know how this video is gonna turn out because of how chaotic Desi weddings are, especially if you're not a guest and actually part of the family of who's getting married. Like I'm from the groom side, because you always have to be there for the pictures and to do the traditions and all of that. So I don't know. बताओ क्या बोलना है मेरे चैनल पे. Like, share, follow. Yeah. Guys, like most of the stuff is done. So now I just wanna go eat. Like I'm just waiting for the food. Where's the food at? Yes, finally gonna eat. Finally gonna eat. Guys, khana mil gaya. Let's go. We got the food. We got biryani. Let's go. We got naan. Let's go. Arey bhai, I forgot to record, but I just drank coffee. I love coffee. Hot coffee in winter is so good. Okay guys, function khatam ho gaya hai. Ab ghar ja rahe hain. We are going home now. The function's over. Now, what next? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, what do we have tomorrow, Maisha? Yeah. Hey guys, we're back in the car. Harun, say hi. Hi. Yay. Hi. Bro, she got left out of the cousin's car. That one cousin be going in the parents' car, bro. Hey guys, today now we are going to the Mehendi event, है ना? बोलो कुछ बोलो. Yes. Hey guys, now we are at the Mehendi event, and this is the entrance. Wait, I can't even see it. Yeah. See, yay! I forgot to film like my outfit because we were in such a rush to leave. But this is the fit. I'm wearing a shalwar, bro, and then I got the kurta and dupatta and everything. So yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to show you my mehendi after I got done. Look, and I did my nails as well, and I got the bangles and everything. Hey guys, the budget of this channel has increased and now I got a cameraman. It's my sister. Right now I'm drinking coffee and we are enjoying the winter breeze, you could say. And I don't know why I'm here, to be honest. I just want to go home, but I want to take pretty pictures so I can post them on Instagram. The bride just came. Oh wait, no, the bride doesn't come in Mehendi event. Like yesterday when we went to the haldi, I'm from the groom side. The groom didn't go to the haldi, so right now the bride won't come to the Mehendi event. The bride's family came, basically. The groom is now sitting on the stage with the Mehendi. Oh guys, what? Bride की तरफ से कोई? Preeti. Oh, Preeti. Hey guys, I just finished taking pictures with the groom, my uncle, and we did some like entrance shots, and yeah, I was just taking pictures. It was like, I'm so sorry, like I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Like there's nothing going on. Like we're just gonna go eat now. निकाल 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 निकाल. We have secured food, yeah. Let's go.
कोई चीजें बेच रहे होंगे इन लोग के नाम से चीजें है ना.
एक पूरा ट्रेंड बना लिया, एक पूरा लेबल बना दिया. जैसे जेंजी इज लाइक यू नो दैट वो रेबेलियस टाइप के, थोड़े सुनते नहीं है बात, अपना चलाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा फोन यूज करते हैं, ये वो करके. जेन अल्फा वो वाले हैं जो एकदम पगलू हैं, एकदम ब्रेन रॉट हो गए हैं, वो पूरा बस
अल्फा बाद वाले हैं ना.
हाँ जी, ये छोटे बच्चे जो क्या क्या कूड़ा देखते रहते हैं यूट्यूब पे, यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स चलाते हैं, वो जेन अल्फा है.
बेटा मतलब उन लोग को तुम डिफाइन कर.
Guys, the wedding, I mean the mehendi is done. I wish I could say the wedding is done, but it's not. So yeah, you know what I did? I just ate good food and I debated with some uncles about different topics, and I also socialized with some people from the bride side. Guys, the bride brought a gift for us. Hey guys, it's the next day and me and my cousins are doing nails. ताइबा दिखाओ अपने. Look.
भाई अभी तो हो ही नहीं है.
मेहंदी दिखा दो. रच गई मेहंदी.
मेहंदी है
रचने वाली. Look. Yay. Bro, I don't think I'll be able to type for the next like 3 days until I have these nails. मुझे नहीं लगता मुझसे हो पाएगा. Like I can't. Guys. No, mom. Hey guys, I'm here with Harun. Look at the fit. Look at Harun is wearing his sherwani. Wow, Harun, your shoes are so cool.
Now it's fine.
Where are we going, Harun?
to a shadi.
To a shadi. Today is the barat.
Yeah, look at my clothes. They're so shiny and not even a single color on them.
Yeah, bro, you look so handsome.
Yeah.
So today is the barat and the lighting here is horrible, so don't judge how I look right now. So barat is, how do I explain this? It's in Indian weddings, it's when the groom and his family go to the bride's
Api.
side, like they go to the venue in like a parade together, and they enter the venue to meet the bride, and then we will do the nikah, which is an Islamic procedure of getting married. So they have to sign a contract, and so they're legally married in the religion as well as like by law.
Api.
So yeah. Guys, the bus is here finally. Let's go. Harun is saying what? What are you saying, bro? No man, the bus is desi. Hey guys, now we are in the bus, and as you can see, it was very chaotic to get in because of our dresses and all that, but we managed. We're in the back seat. Bhai, sab hi bolo. Sab hi bolo. Hi. Guys, we are on the road now. We are moving. We are going to the venue now.
Yeah, we're going. Did you say menu?
No venue.
Oh, menu.
You fatty. I got this. We got some roses on our neck. Yay! पानी पूरी चल रही है आराम से. Guys, coffee, garam coffee in the outdoor in winter is so good. I love coffee in India. Bro, it's like really cold. Not really cold, but yeah. And these people are eating pani puri. Thank you, man. Thank you. My phone is about to die, but everyone is eating right now. My phone is almost dead, and yeah, it's dinner time. Okay, I'm gonna end the Barat part here because we ate and it's over. Like everything's done now. We're just taking pictures, and then we'll see each other at the walima. So I'm at the reception of the wedding now. Guys, so basically I'm at the reception and yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, I look fat. These are the bangles for today, and then obviously the nails are matching again. Yes, finally. Okay, I have been sick the whole day today. Like, I have just been sneezing and I'm dying, and I just want this to be done. Like, just finish up with the wedding stuff, bro, so I can go home and like take everything off and relax. Guys, look, I got coffee and aloo tikki, and I'm gonna like honestly just do this whole reception solo because my cousins invited their friends. So yeah, like I'm just gonna hang alone. The photography has started and the bride is sitting over there and they are photographing her and everything, and it's really chaotic. Yeah. But to be honest, I don't feel like eating because I already ate the starters and मुझे घर जाना है. You know, like I'm just tired. Like I just wanna go home. Like I'm kind of done for the day. And it's smoking. आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, bro. Let's go. Let's eat kebab. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm tired and there's nothing happening, bro. Everybody's just taking pictures. I took pictures with everyone. I talked to everyone. I ate everything. Like what else am I supposed to do? अब लोग बैठ के reels देख रहे हैं. अब लोग बैठ के stories लगा रहे हैं. और कुछ करने का है नहीं. There's nothing to do. So